amigas, today on the Blackstone, we're making some entomatadas. They're perfect to eat when you don't know what the heck to make. For these entomatadas, I'm using a nice tomato sauce, some chicken. These are delicious, so let's make them, amigas. To season my chicken, I'm starting off with some garlic powder. The big side was open.
You want some chicken with your garlic powder?
Oh my God. Some street taco seasoning from Blackstone. Y un poquito de Knorr chicken bouillon. Some black pepper. And let's not forget about this one, some oil. The oil makes it easier to rub all our seasonings on the chicken. Now that our chicken is seasoned, it's ready to add to the griddle. Let's add some oil to the griddle. We're rubbing the oil in evenly so that our chicken doesn't stick on the griddle. Our griddle is on medium-high, perfect to cook our chicken breasts. These chicken breasts are thick, so we need to cover these up so that the inside cooks. And since these are entomatadas, it's time to make our sauce. Let's add our oil. After adding our onion, chile serrano, and tomato, which brings me to the word of the day, jitomate. Say it with me. Jitomate. Jitomate means tomato. So after adding it to the griddle, we're going to let it sit there for about 5 minutes to get them nice and soft. It's time to give our chicken breast a flip. It's getting nice and crispy on one side, so let's crisp up the other side. Our tomatoes have that beautiful char, amigas. Our chilitos are ready, so is our onion. Let's get it off the griddle and blend it with our garlic. Our tomato gives our sauce some sweetness, amiga. The chile serrano gives it a hint of spice, and our onion and garlic just balance out the sauce flavor. It tastes perfect. Next, we're adding tomato bouillon, some oregano, y que no falte la sal, some water. Now it's time to blend. Amigas, our chicken is ready. We can take it off the griddle now and begin to chop it up.
You look a little too concentrated in that.
Because I'm hungry. Now that our chicken is chopped, we could add our queso fresco and mix it with our chicken. We're also going to add some cilantro. Now we give it a good little mix. It's ready to add into our tortillas. With our jitomate sauce, we need to pour it over our chicken, amigas. Now for our final step, amiga, we're going to pour our tortilla in our sauce and put it on the griddle with a little bit of oil. Our tortillitas are nice and crispy. We had to let these sit here for about 8 minutes, so 4 minutes on each side, just because they were really wet and we had to let them dry, crisp up a little, so now they're perfect to start assembling. Let's put our jitomate salsa over our taquitos. Now for our toppings, let's add our queso fresco, sour cream, and cilantro. Our entomatadas are ready for the taste test, amiga. Are you ready to taste it? Because I am. That's good. Ready for the taste test?
I've been ready. I've been waiting. That's good.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Blackstone Products YouTube page. Bye, amigas. Provecho. Love you guys.